At first, when this got released, it was purely digital. And within the last, whatever, 10 years, a couple years, Jump Up has put it out on vinyl. So if you're a vinyl person, please check it out on jumpuprecords.com. So even at the time when I didn't have an immediate plan for vinyl, I had a feeling that it would end up on vinyl at one time. But either way, I really wanted to make an album. So with that in mind, like, I grew up with vinyl albums, and that was the way I consumed music as a youth, and as did the world. So roughly about like 2 sides of 20 minutes is what an album was, with some songs on it. Not too long by modern standards of 60, 70-minute long albums, and broken into 2 distinct halves. Each half was a journey, you know, and a great album. There were a lot of great albums, and it was, maybe it still is, but in my life it's not the same way, where, because now I listen mostly to Jamaican music, and this was a single here and this and that. And there aren't too many times people come up maybe and say, oh, that's an amazing reggae album. Maybe some, like the Congos or something like that. Anyway, all of that said, I crafted in the song order what I thought would work in that format of 2 sides, where the next song is Guns and Gold. Anchor kind of like brought something to a close, and then Guns and Gold kicks off the B-side with a new energy, a stark hello, here we go. Okay, that was my philosophy, and that's a lot of talk about it, but let's rock. Oh, and I saw Devin Morrison is in the house. He and I wrote this tune, along with Time is the Master. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. But them I chose, lead unto the gated close. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. Reach to the river with bridges, them seasons and stole. Pockets full up, them can't pay the toll. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. In emperor's clothes, conquer and away they go. Them soul I sold, them soul I sold. Deep is the shame of the mighty, brazen and bold. No longer holy, no longer whole. Them soul I sold. Dark is the state on the spirit that seek to control. Sharp is the flame them I go feel when them body cold. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. Them soul I sold, sold that way for guns and gold. Bigger them crows, bigger them above below. Them soul I sold, them soul I sold, them soul I sold, them soul I sold. All right.